Riverside County in Southern California. Orange County.
Flash flood warning for the following counties in California: Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino.
Doppler radar
National Weather Service in San Diego has flash flood warning for San Bernardino County,
rain has already fallen.
Riverside County, and Southern
Around
California.
0.75 feet per hour are occurring in some areas.
Until 1:30
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Doppler radar
Flooding caused by thunderstorms.
heavy rain across the
Source,
warned area.
radar indicated.
Up to 1 inch of rain has
Flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas.
Ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Will experience flooding include
Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Riverside, Irvine,
Source,
San Bernardino, Fontana, Moreno Valley,
Flooding of small creeks, Garden Grove, and Ontario areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include
in California, Riverside County,
Riverside, Irvine, San Bernardino, Fontana, Moreno Valley, Huntington Beach,
until 9 p.m. Thursday above 5,500 feet. What? Heavy snow occurring. Travel will be very difficult to impossible, including during the evening commute. Tree branches may fall as well. Total snow accumulations will range from 6 to 10 inches between 5,000 and 6,000 feet, and to 20 inches between 6,000 and 7,000 feet, and from 20 to 36 inches.
Once again, KMIR has failed. Let's go get KESQ. See if they get it.
This is Hal. This is Hal's heart. It's been broken and put back together. This is also Hal's heart and his relief, knowing he's covered by Blue Cross.
Flash flood warning for the following counties in California: Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California, Riverside County in Southern California, Orange County in Southwestern California. 1:30 p.m. DT. At 10:22 a.m. DT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Rainfall rates of around 0.75 inches per hour are occurring in some areas. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Anaheim, Santa Ana, Riverside, Irvine, San Bernardino, Fontana, Moreno Valley, Huntington Beach, Garden Grove, and Ontario.
Because cancer isn't due, it's all due. Cancer treatment is of America.
Well, that was flash flood warning. You activated for an unrecognized message. This went off for the first time for an actual warning. Yeah. I was doing some online classes and then IMBot notified me of this, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you.
is returning to that most precious thing.
This is interesting.
Home. And so we offer
Normally KMIR just says Riverside.
From now,
A winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions are occurring.
That was weird. Okay. Okay, KMIR, go do your thing. That is really weird. Are you testing out new EAS equipment or something? Well, flash flood warning still in effect. KDES had that thing. Oh, KESQ's doing it too. San Bernardino, Orange, Riverside. Huh. That is weird.
Right now, this is the soaking salt, cucumber, and aloe. Smell this, that's pretty. Well,
That was strange.
okay, smell that. It's amazing.
Maybe they're testing out new EAS equipment or something. Oh well. See you guys in the next video.